U John Richard Lobo ubadai u observe ka All India Congress Committee ulawan hari Bhoi district nagabenta ban perkhat kumno ban Pynkhlaiñ ka parti pat khamtam ban yo ban jit no ya unong ya lam thamai kumba ka ri Bhoi district menta ka don tang u ad hoc president ka jing thumu jong ka Aicc ban pha yaki observe ban yo kejat haman na ki district jong ka jilla kalong ba ka Seng Congress lengba ka sangathan Srijan Abhiyan Kalabu thong ban Pynkhlaiñ bat pan thamai yaki but trekam nadu tenrai la ka bajit ru de kinong yalam bat thamai haman la ki district jong ka jilla Meghalaya khnang ban tip ya ka jing e jong ki pat ba Habakran sikilat patai Khubor menta ka sngi ha Seng nakalyang uba Rocky Marwen kum u ad hoc president ka Bhoi District Congress Committee ha ka jing danang uba Jonathan Sim vice president MPCC Youth Congress ulayat hu ba ka jing thumu jong ka All India Congress Committee ban phawan ni ki observe shaka district ka dre halor ka jing thumu ban jit no yu president bathamai jong ka Bhoi District Congress Committee Kumba kalong hadu menta ka Bhoi District Congress Committee kampat don yu president bapura bat la sujit uba Rocky Marwen ban longkum u ad hoc president Shu uba Rocky Marwen ulong ru ba ka Aicc kalabatha yu observe ban lej shaman na ki block committee jong ka Bhoi district ban kendo ya kinong kitkam bat kinong yalam jong ka party bat ban ya phaliu jing mud bat ban shim ya ka jing ai jing mud jong kinong yalam ki block committee na ka banta ban jit yu president jong ka Bhoi Congress Committee Habakran pat nakaliang jong u John Richard Lobo ubalapha da ka Aicc ulong ba ka thong jong ka sagathan Srijan Abhiyan kalong ban Pynkhlaiñ ka Seng Congress haman na ki district namar ki don shibon ki jing e haba phai na du kinong kitkam ki barit du bat de halor kane kinong yalam kilas ngode ban pen thamai ki but trekam bat kinong yalam par ban pen em ya ka Seng Congress haman ki district
to khoble phi baro hakani ka por ngi dan hang ni ha po Seng hakaba ban thu e phi baro ki pa ba ki ba pe ya ga ka news i kumbalong nakalian jong ka All India Congress Committee kalapha ya uwe ni ki observer mentang baro la don hang ni apo Bhoi district jongi kajingwan jong ki observer mdei tang hari Bhoi apo ka haman la ki district hakaba ka jingthmu jong ka All India Congress Committee hakaba dei ban jit yo president jong ka Bhoi District Congress Committee te kadai ka jingtha ba ka jingpen be nanti nakaliang jong ka Aicc hakaba observer undon hakini ki santali sans kumba sanski e undon hamni hapo district jongi hakaba un salet nakawe ka block shakawi pat ka block haman santali ki block jong ka Bhoi kata haman la santali ki constituency jong ka Bhoi district ka jongi hakaba nakaliang observer un salet ban kendu ya baro ki nongelam nadu ki riurang ba ki Samla ki longkmi ban shim ya ka feedback ane ban shim ya ka jingkelum lang habai dei bat ka jingjit ya president jong ka Bhoi District Congress Committee tehani idon is JR Lobo ibadei i observer na po Aicc te idon kat ban ngin adu manen kasngi la po hande te communication don ngin sayo ka briefing na kaliang ka jongi ba kai ka jingwan ka jongi ba ka jingdon ka jongi hamni hapo district ka jongi te communication don ngin yo ka briefing na kaliang ka jongi
I've been appointed by the Aicc New Delhi as observer for the selection of DCC president of Bhoi district in Meghalaya. This is the part of the Abhiyan, which is called Sangathan Srijan Abhiyan, promoted by the Aicc New Delhi. Sangathan Srijan Abhiyan is the derivative or is the fallout from the All India Congress Committee, a nationwide organization transformation campaign, which was a part of the national campaign which our leader Mr. Rahul Gandhi undertook, starting his Abhiyan right from Kanyakumari to Kashmir, the Padayatra which he did. And then later he did the another Abhiyan from Bihar to New Delhi. The objective of this entire Abhiyan is to strengthen the DCC now. As on now, the various activities are the promotional thinking which our Congress had. But at the grassroots level, for implementation, there were a lot of problems. Understanding all these issues, All India Congress Committee thought of revamping the districts and to activize the districts and to see that all the programs are properly implemented at district level. The Sangathan has to be done at the district level. As a part of that, this is the first step to identify the right candidates for the district presidency. And then which will go down to the level of revamping the district committees, and then at the block level, and then at the ward level, at the functionary level also. We observers have the responsibility of looking into the implementation of the aspiration of the Aicc. Without any malice or any prejudice, we will take the opinion of the people, we will interact with the leaders, collect their opinions, and then in the presence of the Aicc observers also, we will finally prepare the final report to the Aicc. The Aicc would like to make DCC more functional, effective, because Congress always stood for the democratic values, to strengthen the democracy. The people aspirations have to be implemented, put into action, and always Congress stood for the welfare of the entire people of the country, including the backward class, scheduled caste, scheduled tribes, minorities, women, and all the vulnerable sections, the support. It is the inclusive development which Congress always thinks of. It is the welfare of each and every person which Congress always keeps in mind. It is the Congress which would like to build the nation in this direction. And as a part of that, effective leadership is required at the district level and down to the final grama level, the panchayat level, at the local body level. And this is the reason the entire organizational restructuring is being planned by the Congress. In Bharat Jodo Nyaya Yatra, which our national beloved leader Rahul Gandhi undertook, and also the Padayatra which he undertook right from Kanyakumari to Srinagar, Kashmir. It was a part of it to make the people sensitive about their rights, liberties, and also to understand the needs of the people. I appeal to all the workers as well as Congress people to support this Abhiyan of the Aicc It is not that a single AICC observer or the PCC observers can do this job. Unless there is a support from the field and local level, nothing will be possible from us. I appeal to all Congress people, persons to support this Abhiyan, and not only support this Abhiyan, subsequently, whoever has been selected and finally appointed as president and office bearers by the AICC to give the complete support to them and fulfill the policies and aspirations of the AICC. I would like to be here from today till 24th. Continuously, we will be traveling, visiting various blocks, holding meetings there, interacting with the leaders, and also we will have one-to-one discussion with the people and the party workers to understand their mindset, to understand their feelings about the leadership, and finally also to have one-to-one interaction with the aspirants. Today, we will collect the applications. Subsequently also, if anybody fails to give their applications today, we will collect the applications later also, but before our departure, and we will understand the support or their ideology about the Congress party and the competence that they have to implement the policies and the programs of our party. To all the workers to give support to this Abhiyan. Thank you.